Oh, big it. What? I thought that was like 5 pounds when it hooked into that.
What?
Bro. Whoa, you saw that? You got that? The technique to feel the fish. Oh, big it. What the heck?
Oh, look at that boy. Look at that boy.
I thought that was like 5 pounds when it hooked into that.
What?
Bro, what? Hey, nice big there.
Nice. Look at that.
No, I thought that was 5 pounds when it hooked into that thing. That felt like 5 pounds. Oh no, I got it.
Hold on, I need to see it.
Did you get one too?
No.
Did you get bites?
Oh, okay. Nope.
Oh. Bites. There are bites. Bites. Be careful. Just feel it like
You
this.
feel it, then you can just...
You got him? Oh, okay. I told you.
No, it went out.
Bro, it was snagged.
Dang.
Oh. Is it snagged?
Dang it.
They got each other. That's all.
This is good because we're fishing. Yeah, good thing I was kind of videoing. Wait, what? No, it was just some leads who tricked you.
That's good. Oh, nice. That's not little.
Nice. Cool. Cool.
No, the same bites. Bro. That was crazy bites. You said... Whoa! You saw that? You got that? Dude. No, let go! Oh, it let go.
Oh no!
Dude, did you see my technique? Yeah, and then I just felt like bites.
It was him. I saw that green.
Using the technique to feel the fish. I'm going onto the boat.
I saw like green.
Coming! There's fighting! Oh my gosh! It's fighting! That's why you don't go to paw, bruh. No, watch your fishing pole. You're lucky I saw that.
Lucky you saw what?
His fishing pole. He's got a fish.
Oh, hey, nice.
Nice.
Catch.
Yeah, they're loaded out here today, aren't they?
Yeah, there's still lots. Fishing at Hagan, Park Pond, or community. Woo! Nice.
Come on. Take it over here.
Oh no, he got stuck in mine. Nice catch.